سلام به کانال من خوش اومدید. در این ویدیو میخوایم در مورد آشپزخونه حرف بزنیم. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this lesson we want to talk about kitchen. In Persian, what words and verbs you can use in order to talk about kitchen and about your activities in kitchen. So, first of all, let's go and start some essential cooking verbs. We are going to learn all the essential cooking verbs in 3 videos. So, it's part 1. The first word that we have is Boridan. Boridan means to cut. Boridan is an infinitive. Bor is the present stem of it and the past stem is borid. So, in order to make sentences in the present tense, we use the present stem like bor. For example, I can say من گوشت را می برم. I cut the meat. Or we can say نان را ببرید. The example which is in here, cut the bread. نان را ببرید. And then let me tell you an example in the past tense. نان را بریدم. I cut the bread. The next word is خورد کردن. خورد کردن means to chop or to dice. The word خورد alone is a noun and it means small tiny pieces. So خورد کردن is the infinitive. So you can make the past stem with it like خورد کرد. So you can say پیاز را خورد کردم. The word پیاز means onion. So پیاز را خورد کردم means I chopped the onion. And then the example here is پیاز را خورد کنید. Chop the onions. Because کن is the present stem of کردن. Let's see what is the next essential verb. That is پوست کندن. پوست کندن means to peel. Can is the present stem of it. For example, you can say من پیاز را پوست میکنم. I am peeling the onion. Or the example here is سیب زمینی را پوست بکنید. So it's can. سیب زمینی را پوست بکنید means peel the potatoes. سیب زمینی is potato. In Dari, we call it kachalu. And then canned alone is the past stem. So, the next verb is Rande kardan. Rande alone is the grate. And then to grate is Rande kardan. Always, the present stem of kardan is kon. For example, پنیر را رنده کنید. It's not can, it's کن. پنیر را رنده کنید. Grate the cheese. And then کرد past stem. So if I say پنیر را رنده کردم, I grated the cheese. The next verb مخلوط کردن. مخلوط is mix. To mix or to stir. مخلوط کردن. Mix everything together. همه را مخلوط کنید. The word همه means all. Or here we can also say everything. Then اضافه کردن. The word اضافه is add. And then اضافه کردن to add. The example here is ادویه را اضافه کنید. Add spices. So it was the first part of the essential cooking verbs. So Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.